Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS SQS to process events for big data workloads step by step clearly. First, open your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon SQS service. Click on Create Queue. Choose between a standard queue or a FIFO queue based on your requirements. Provide a name for your queue. Configure the queue settings as needed, such as message retention period and visibility timeout. After reviewing the settings, click on Create Queue. Once the queue is created, note the queue URL for future reference. Now, open the AWS Lambda service in a new tab. Click on Create Function. Select Author from Scratch. Provide a name for your Lambda function. Choose the runtime environment, such as Python or Node.js. For execution role, create a new role with basic Lambda permissions. Click on Create Function. In the Functions Code section, implement your event processing logic. Remember to include the necessary permissions to access the SQS queue. Next, scroll down to the Function Overview section. Click on Add Trigger. Select SQS from the list of triggers. Choose the SQS queue you created earlier. Set the batch size according to your processing needs. Enable the trigger and click on Add. Now, navigate back to your SQS queue details. Send a test message to the queue to ensure everything is set up correctly. You can do this by clicking on Send and Receive Messages. In the message body, input some sample data and click Send Message. Next, go back to your Lambda function in the AWS console. Click on Test to execute your function against the test event. Monitor the execution results in the log stream. Ensure that your Lambda function processes the messages as expected. If any issues arise, check the CloudWatch logs for debugging. Adjust your Lambda function code or permissions as needed. Once everything is working, consider setting up CloudWatch alarms for monitoring. This setup will allow you to scale and process big data workloads efficiently using AWS SQS and Lambda. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.